between two rational numbers. Let's play a game. In this game, we will take 3 squares. Only one number can be written in the first and third square, whereas in the middle square, many numbers can be written in it. The rule of this game is only those numbers can be written in the middle box whose value is more than the number written in the first square. But it is lesser than the number written in the third square. Means the value of numbers in the second square must be between the value of numbers in the first and third squares. So, let's start the game. If the natural numbers in the first and third square are 37 and 41, then what natural numbers can be written in the middle square? Think. Absolutely correct. In this square, we can write natural numbers like 38, 39 and 40. Apart from these, no natural number can be written. Similarly, there are fixed natural numbers between any two natural numbers. Now suppose we write integers -3 and 3 in the first and third squares. Then tell which integers can be written in the middle square. Think. Your answer is absolutely correct. In this, we can write -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 integers. Apart from these, we cannot write any other integer. In this way, there are fixed integers between any two integers. Now, will you be able to tell that if we were to write the rational numbers between -3 and 3 in the middle square, then what would they be? Let me tell you, we can write -3 as -30 divided by 10. Similarly, we can write 3 as 30 divided by 10. In this way, we now have rational numbers between -3 and 3 as. Similarly, we can write -3 as -300 divided by 100 and 3 as 300 divided by 100 also. Looking at them, we can now say that rational numbers between them are. We can also write -3 as -3000 divided by 1000 and 3 as 3000 divided by 1000. Thus, we can now write rational numbers between them as. Similarly, we can find infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. That is, there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Just think, can we call the rational number 7 by 2 as the rational number between -3 and 3? Think. Let me tell you, if A, B, C are three rational numbers where A is less than C, then B will be called the rational number between these two only, when B is greater than A but smaller than C. Here 7 by 2 is equal to 3 and 1 by 2, which is larger number than both -3 and 3. So we cannot call it a rational number between -3 and 3. Similarly, by comparing the values of numbers, you can find out if a number falls in between the given numbers. This comparison can also be done on the number line. Let us now learn some interesting methods of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. Suppose we have to find rational numbers between 2 by 9 and 6 by 7. For this, we will first make the denominator the same for both rational numbers. Since LCM of denominator 9 of 2 by 9 and 7 of 6 by 7 is 63, therefore, we will multiply numerator and denominator of each rational number by a suitable number to make the denominator of rational numbers as 63. With this, we get an equivalent rational number of 2 by 9 as 14 by 63 and 6 by 7 as 54 by 63. Now the rational numbers written between are like this. Now let's learn another interesting method of finding rational number between two rational numbers. We will understand this by finding rational numbers between 2 by 9 and 6 by 7. First, we will represent these rational numbers on the number line. On the number line, dividing the distance between 0 to 1 into 9 equal parts, we can show the number 2 by 9 by taking 2 of these parts. Similarly, we can divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 7 equal parts and take 6 of these to represent the number 6 by 7. Now, we will find out mean of 2 by 9 and 6 by 7. Mean of any two rational number a and b is a plus b divided by 2. In this way, we will divide the sum of both rational numbers by 2. Therefore, mean of 2 by 9 and 6 by 7 is equal to 34 by 63. This is the rational number between 2 by 9 and 6 by 7. In the same way, can you find the mean of 2 by 9 and 34 by 63? Try stopping the video. Let me tell you, we will do this as follows. This will give the rational number 24 by 63 between 2 by 9 and 34 by 63. In this way, we can find infinite rational numbers between 2 by 9 and 6 by 7. So, today we have learned how to find the rational. The teacher asked Arnav to find three rational numbers between 7 by 4 and 9 by 4. Arnav answered 2, 15 by 8 and 19 by 8. Find whether Arnav gave the correct answer or not. To find out whether the answer given by Arnav is correct or not, we have to see whether all these numbers fall between 7 by 4 and 9 by 4. Can you tell us how to do this? Think. Let me tell you, if A, B, C are rational numbers where A is less than C, then B is the rational number between these two only when A is less than B is less than C. B is greater than A but smaller than C. Here 7 by 4 is less than 9 by 4. In this way, here we see that in 2, 15 by 8 and 19 by 8, each number is greater than 7 by 4 and smaller than 9 by 4 or not. We can write 2 as 8 by 4. In this way, we know that 7 by 4 is less than 8 by 4 is less than 9 by 4. Means 2 is between 7 by 4 and 9 by 4. Is 15 by 8 also the rational number between these two rational numbers? Think. Absolutely true. If we write 7 by 4 as 14 by 8 and 9 by 4 as 18 by 8, then we know that 14 by 8 is less than 15 by 8 is less than 18 by 8. Therefore, 15 by 8 is also rational number between 7 by 4 and 9 by 4. If we talk about 19 by 8, then this is greater than both 14 by 8 and 18 by 8. Therefore, this is not the rational number between 7 by 4 and 9 by 4. Therefore, Arnav's answer is wrong. The rational number between 7 by 4 and 9 by 4 are 2, 15 by 8, 17 by 8. Next example. Find 10 rational numbers between -4 by 11 and 2 by 3. Let's solve this by reviewing each method. We will take the denominator of -4 by 11 and 2 by 3 similar. For this, we will multiply numerator and denominator of -4 by 11 by 3 to get its equivalent rational number -12 by 33. In this way, equivalent rational number of 2 by 3 is 22 by 33. Now we can say that the rational numbers between minus 4 by 11 means minus 12 by 33 and 2 by 3 means 22 by 33 are minus 11 by 33, minus 10 by 33, minus 9 by 33, minus 8 by 33, and so on, 19 by 33, 20 by 33, 21 by 33 are like this. Take out any 10 rational numbers among these and answer the question. Next example. Find out the mean and 3 rational numbers between rational number 5 by 12 and 7 by 18. Mean of any 2 rational numbers a and b is a plus b divided by 2. In this way, mean of 5 by 12 and 7 by 18 is 29 by 72. Now, you pause the video and try to find the mean of 5 by 12 and 29 by 72 by yourself. You will get the answer as 59 by 144. In this way, we can find out the mean of 29 by 72 and 7 by 18. Their mean will be 29 by 72 plus 7 by 18 divided by 2 is equal to 19 by 48. In this way, 3 rational numbers between 5 by 12 and 7 by 18 are 59 by 144, 29 by 72 and 19 by 48. Now, find yourself the 3 rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 9 by 11. So today we have seen examples of finding rational numbers between 2 rational numbers.